In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Notes feature missing. If you think that this video is going to be helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end. Now Instagram Notes is seen on the message section on the top right. After you tap on the message section on the top, you'll see an option of leave a note. Now if you don't see this option, there are a couple of things that you can do. Firstly, you can try to see if you've updated the app of Instagram. If you haven't, then make sure you update it, because updating apps helps to add a new feature that has been released. After you update the app, check if the note feature is added. If it's still not added, you can try joining the beta version, which is the latest and the test version of Instagram. To install it on your phones, you can tap on Instagram and it will take you inside. Now on the bottom right here, you'd see an option of beta. I've already joined the beta version, that's why mine says beta right here. But you can also join by tapping on join beta right here. After you install the beta version, you should be able to get the notes feature. But if you still don't, you'll need to wait a couple of days, because Instagram is slowly releasing it to the general public, and you should also be able to get this feature within a couple of days. Now if this video helped you out, then make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.